Hi, today I'm going to define or describe the ideas or meaning behind this work of art and appreciate the beauty and criticize the different elements of art present in it. So let's start off with a small history of this painting. So this painting was painted by an artist named E. Francisco in 1994, and this painting was bought by my grandfather between the year 1994 to 1995, and ever since then it was displayed in my grandparents' house till this very day. And the type of painting technique used in this is acrylic painting. So now, before starting, if you don't know the elements of art, I'm going to pop up a quick description on the screen of the elements of art. First off, let's start with the elements of art. First element is the lines. As you can see, there are horizontal lines on the cottage, water, or ocean, and also in the sky. These lines indicate serenity or repose, and they express ideas of calmness, which you could also see in the painting. And the next is, you can see the vertical lines on the cottage and also on the trees on the left and right side of the painting. They indicate that objects are poised for action, balance, forceful, and dynamic, which you can also see on the cottage that is well balanced, and it also indicates that the trees on the left and right side of the painting are poised for action. Then we can also see the diagonal lines and curved lines on both the two coconut trees on the left side and the small boat below. This means or suggests movements for those two objects are present, and it also suggests grace and flexibility or gradual change in direction in those objects. The second element is the shape. They can be geometric and organic shapes. As you can see in the painting, we can distinguish some shapes on the cottage, the small boat, and on the surface where the cottage stands, and also the two people aboard on the small boat. Then the third element is the color. As we can see, there are different colors in the painting. The color green can be seen on the trees on the left and right side, which indicates or represents growth and renewal in nature. The next color that we can see is the color yellow, which is the color of the sun, and it indicates positivity and hope in the painting. Then on the bottom part of the painting, we can see the color blue, which indicates a serene or calm environment on the painting. Then on the right side, we can see the color brown on the cottage and on the ground which a cottage stands. It indicates a sense of stability and support, which can also be seen on the cottage standing firmly on the painting. The fourth element is the value. We can see that on the bottom part, there is a degree of darkness of the color blue and also the color green on the trees on the left side and on the right side, and the color brown which the cottage stands. The degrees of lightness can be seen on the color yellow on the center and on the color green on the left and right side of the painting. The fifth element is the form. We can see that the trees on the right side has a dimensional height, weight, and length. Also, on the boat below, we can see that it takes up space and volume on the painting. The sixth element is the texture. The actual feel of the surface, as you can see, is somewhat rough on most parts of the painting, and the surface quality of the object is also implied on my perspective in the painting. So the seventh and last element is the space. As you can see in the painting, There are negative and positive spaces. But before identifying them, let me pop up on the screen a quick definition of a positive and negative space. So as we can see here in the painting, the positive spaces are the trees, cottage, boat, and people. And the negative spaces are the water and the sun in the horizon. And that is in my perspective. That's all. Thank you for listening and watching.